Go find one of your girlfriends to clean the room.
Chill out, gay.
Like, why are you in my room?
Why are you Kylie gay? Relax.
Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Letitia Sakura Hayden, and I'm doing a quick makeup tutorial voiceover on this look I did. This is my first voiceover, so just bear with me. So today I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony. So I am going to make a line underneath my eyebrows, just defining the shape of my eyebrows. I do make the tail of my eyebrows a little bit longer, just because I do like that look. It's just my preference. So I am going to go in with another line on top of my eyebrows, just completing that shape. And then once I'm done completing that shape, I am going to do stroke-like hairs, just filling in all the hairs in my eyebrow. So once I'm done that, I am going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, just securing my eyebrows and having that complete finish. So I do go in with the P. Louise base. This base is in Rumor, so this is the only base they had at the time. They did come out with different types of base now. So they did come up with like 6 different bases, so that can really match the color of your skin or whatnot. So yeah, I'm going to take that base Rumor and bring it all the way down to my eyelids. So what this is going to do is just going to make the eyeshadow that I put on really stick. This base is really good for cutting the crease of your eyebrows, your eyelids as well. So you can always do that. And then I'm going to go in with the Kylie Jenner Sippin' Pretty palette. I am going to use Check ID, Jungle Juice, and On the List. So once I'm done that, I'm going to go in with the Pro Filter Primer by Rihanna. This primer is really good for oily skin. I really like it. So I'm just going to use that to cover my whole face, mostly get my T-zone area, have that covered. It's really light on the skin. I am going to go in with the Huda Beauty foundation in Mocha 500. So I really like this foundation. It's full coverage. It covers everything, all my blemishes, all the stuff that I don't want to be seen, it covers. Okay, so once I'm done that, I am going to go in with my highlight and contour. Again, by Fenty Beauty. The contour is Espresso. So I'm going to make little strokes all over my face just to define how I want my contour to look. And then I'm going to go in with the highlight on Suede. So I'm going to go in with Suede, highlight my nose, highlight everything else. Make sure I have everything just popping out, looking like wow. Okay, so once I'm done that, I am just gonna blend that all in, and making sure everything is seamless. Can't see any strokes, can't see any lines defining my contour. So I'm gonna blend. Go. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with the Sacha Buttercup, just to set everything. Sacha Buttercup is, that's just my personal favorite. I do want to try the Laura Mercier, but this one is just like my go-to right now. So I'm gonna put that all on my face, just where I put my concealer. So I leave the bridge nose. I leave the powder on the nose of my bridge just longer, just so I can have that defined look for my nose. So once I'm done that, I'm gonna brush everything off. I'm lying to you guys. I don't bake for long. I bake for literally like a minute. Like, I don't want my face looking too white, but that's just my preference. So I'm gonna brush everything off, and then I am gonna go in with the MAC. It's like a bronzer. I'm gonna go in the MAC bronzer. It's called Blunt. So I'm going to go in with Blunt and just define my nose a little bit more. I do like to go in with the powder after I do the cream contour on my nose, just so my nose is more defined and just like standing out. So I do that. I am just going to go all the way down to the tip of my nose and just make sure everything is looking on point. So I am just going to brush it up, buff it up, make sure my nose is looking good. I am going to take the excess powder off my face, but I'm going to keep the powder on the bridge of my nose there for a little bit longer, so just making sure my nose stands out. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the Blunt again and just defining my cheekbones, my forehead, as well as my jaw, to make sure my jaw is nice and sharp and pointy. So once I'm done that, I am going to go in with the Anastasia highlight by Abhxamrezy, and I'm just going to highlight the bridge of my nose, my tear ducts, underneath my eyebrows, and then I'm going to go in with the MAC blush in Raizin, and just put some blush on my cheekbones just right above my contour to make sure that stands out. I am going to go in with Kylie Jenner's lip gloss in Literally. I love this nude look. It's really good. I'm going to smack that on my lips. And then I'm going to re-highlight my cheekbones back with the Abhxamrezy highlighter.
What?
You clean my room?
Yeah.
Eh?
Cordo, I'm busy.
Did you clean my room, man? Then we had to redo it. Can't even hear you. What?
Go find one of your girlfriends to clean the room.
Chill out, gay.
Like, why are you in my
Why
room?
you Kylie, gay? Relax.
This is my finished look, guys. I hope you guys liked my first voiceover video. Please comment below, like and subscribe, and don't be afraid to give a thumbs up. Okay, guys, bye. Until next time.